saucy, yeah. Bitch, I do this often. My bitch is bad, she always in office. So I got a tags on running my body. Can't see the pads, I'm living too fast. With 20 my dash, I'm up, but I lost him. He wanna brag, I hit his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost him. Then bro, he turned to a hoe. I seen him before, the shit is exhausting. Ran on a hoe, I wanna be known.
What's up guys, so today I'll be showing you how to edit on Imovie for Fortnite montages. So this video refers to people that edit on iMovie Mac. So if you're not editing on iMovie, so this doesn't refer to you. So first you'll be needing shockwave sound effect. So this will be in the description below, and the Fortnite legendary pump sound effect. It will be in the description as well. And the song I'll be using is Caution. So first thing you'll need to do is split the part where you get the kill when like the sound starts. So this is where the music starts. So we split here. And with the sound from the first part, go to crop filter, audio effect, and make it muffled so it sounds like different. So, and then with the kill, get the sound of the song as perfect as you can to the kill. Okay, so it starts here, and then with this clip, go to crop filter and press on which one was it again? Flashback. So it like matches the music. So it starts off like this. And then it switches to this once you get the kill. And then with this effect, make it glow so it looks better. Now with the legendary pump effect, put it right near the shot, so the shot starts here, so make it towards a little closer. Okay, that's good. And with the shockwave effect, put it just right near the pump effect so it like matches it. Other things you can do with the sound effects, you can do this. My dash, I'm up, but I lost him. He wanna brag, I hit his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost him. Make this close to the music. I hit his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost. Don't care what it cost him. That's close to it. That's early. Okay, 5.8. Okay, now this part. Okay, make this part, split some part of this song, and right near the kill, split it, right next to the kill. Split it, go to audio effect. Yeah, make it muffled, so then it switches to it right against the kill. And just as it shoots, Edit. You don't want the pump effect to be too loud, so it will sound a little fake. Okay. Now, shockwave effect comes in. Yup. Okay. Now at the end part, right when it kills it, split this part, make it slow motion. So it looks like this. Okay, now for the review of what we have done.
Saucy yellow, bitch, I do this often. My bitch is bad, she always in office. So I got a tags on running my body. Can't see the pads, I'm living too fast. With 20 my dash, I'm up, but I lost him. He wanna brag, I did his bag and took what he had. Don't care what it cost him. He bro, he turned to a hoe. I seen before, the shit exhausted. Ran on a hoe. I wanna be known, the stage of my soul, you Randy Moss.
So guys, that was the end of the video. If you think you have learned something today from editing on iMovie, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notif bell so you can check out my new latest videos if I post them. So we'll see you in our next video. Peace.